yeah. The Shelby 350 GT Fastback. Oh my God. This car is amazing. It's real responsive. It's not too much play on the steering wheel. The car looks in perfect shape on the inside to me. And I've said before, I love, wood steering wheel or wood shifters. This has got that wood steering wheel. It makes me feel closer to the road. The seats are really cushiony. When I drive a car like a Ferrari, sometimes the seats are too narrow. This seat is wide. It kind of holds on to you, but it doesn't grab too tight. It kind of just lets you sink in. They're kind of bouncy. I love that you got the odometer right up here in the windshield. There's Cobra emblems everywhere. Black on black. This is a mean machine. Whoever restored this and put time and love and energy into this really did a great job and paid attention to the little details. This car, you can really hear the engine purring. I'm not even pressing the gas right now, and I'm hearing the engine. This thing's been tuned up. It wants to move. Great pickup. What's amazing to me is you could rent this car at one time. You could go into a rental agency, get this car on a Friday, drive it all weekend, and drop it off on a Sunday. I mean, this is almost too much power to be renting. The gas feels really responsive on this, but the brakes are a little bit tight for me. It's not great braking power, but overall, great ride. The car feels simple. You drive some of these newer cars and you can feel all the electronics. This is just an engine, a shell, tires, and it's ready to go. This is an all-American car, and I mean, this feels like a man's car. This car says testosterone. You get in it, you can't help but smile and have fun. Oh, yeah.